Be on the lookout. Be vigilant. Be safe.
Hello and welcome to Bolo. This video will give you information regarding the latest bank scams and frauds to protect yourself. The old phishing scam is alive and well, used to defraud online banking clients, and is now joined by the money in advance scam, targeting businesses. Seemingly the relaxation of COVID-19 restrictions brought along an increase in fraud campaigns. The change in the economic climate caused an increase in the number of social engineering scams they are using to get bank clients to disclose personal and confidential information. Phishing remains the most used technique. This entails criminals pretending to be real banks or companies, and traditionally this was achieved with emails, but lately, more and more with social media, WhatsApp, Twitter, and Facebook, to obtain personal data from victims. Hyperlinks to fraudulent websites are mostly contained in these messages. These messages take the appearance of real bank messages. Once you click on the link, they will request you to enter all details including your name, account number, password, and PINs to verify your account on the fake website. This is more than they need to start defrauding you. They can now access your bank account and move money from your account. The other scam is voice phishing or vishing. This involves receiving a phone call from a person stating that they are from your bank. They will be so convincing with the information they have that they will convince you to part with your login details. This will allow the criminal access to your online bank account. Smishing, better known as SMS phishing, will try to get you to give out your personal information via SMS. This includes one-time passwords known as OTPs and PINs to log into your banks. Some fraudulent SMS messages will try and get you to phone the number supplied to contact your bank. This number will be of someone that will imitate your bank to get information from you. The 419 scam, also known as the money in advance scam, is set in place to target small or medium businesses. They normally achieve this utilizing two methods. The first is to convince businesses to make payments upfront for services or goods that will never be received. The second is to offer loans to businesses, convincing them to pay admin fees before the loan money is paid out. They then steal all the admin fees received by this method. They can utilize a different variation of this scam to get money from people looking for employment. They simply make the victims pay for arranging transport and medical tests after they tell them that they were selected for the position. Needless to say, they pay the monies and never hear from the company again. Unfortunately, these victims are often desperate and don't have money. Ransomware attacks are also on the increase. This software infiltrates your system and encodes your files, making them inaccessible. The attackers demand money to enable the decoding of files so that they can be accessed again. In the process of hacking your system to install the ransomware, they might also steal information from your system. They can use this information to threat businesses, stating that they will leak sensitive data about operations and customers, added on top of the hostage holding of the data. 2022 was far worse hit by ransomware software than previous years. This is due to the ability of ransomware to exploit zero-day weak spots. The weak spots are in the security of software that the hackers are aware of, but the security officials did not discover yet. These attacks where data are stolen naturally lead to more phishing attacks, ransomware attacks, and identity theft. Do not become a victim and don't click on unfamiliar links or attachments. If you suspect that your login details have been discovered, change your passwords immediately. Always use strong passwords to protect yourself. Be very careful before making payments to strangers, especially if the communication leading up to the payment was only via social media. Remember, your bank will never ask you to disclose card numbers, CVV numbers, OTPs, PINs, passwords, or usernames using emails, phone calls, or SMS. To successfully lessen fraud, the customer and the banking industry need to be proactive in their role playing. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like the video and to subscribe to our channel. Remember to have a safe day.